there's probably okay guys, so we are having a beach day. We're going to Bay Beach. We're at Crystal Beach, which is the town. They have a free beach here, but there's no food, which is a necessity. So what's right? Being mean. You're being mean. So these children are laughing at me, but when I'm a YouTube star, they're gonna be wanting to be in the video and wanting
to get the money too.
Yeah, of course.
Hell yeah, I gotta get the money.
Yes, baby.
I get money too because I'm not laughing.
Of course.
Yay.
Come on now.
We're laughing at you, Alex.
You sure? You sure? This is Jason. This is our adoptive cousin. Something. Yes. So, yeah, we're in. I think
feel like with all adults and their friends, like children, or I mean, their children's friends. I feel like their children's friends should call them like aunts and uncles and whatever. So it just makes more sense. His first names are just so formal.
Where is? Okay. Or was it straight? Must have not going on the TV. Alrighty, Crystal Beach, here we come. If she said the other one was better, I wonder how much better it is, because that one was really nice.
Yeah.
Right? It's really hot. It's a good beach day. Hopefully there's actual parking available, because I think once it's full, then it's full, you know? They don't allow people to get there after it's full. What if they keep track of that? But hopefully we're right on time. Oh, look, black people. There. Huh? Yeah. So we have to walk all the way down there?
I guess so.
I don't like it. It's not that, what's it called? Hello. Good, you?
So late to the beach today. Car gladly.
No worries.
You can trust me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So if you just pull in a little bit there.
Behind
You can
the...
pull behind my little gray parking car.
Okay.
Just wait for a few minutes.
Okay.
And if you want to use it.
Yeah. Big brain.
Just like this? I don't want him to get in my car, you know what I'm saying?
You're gonna get the...
Ooh, it's hot. It's hot now. Okay, yeah. I know the part.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
But I thought old people.
Okay. All right. So we are parking our car and we are making our way down there. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay.
I need you.
Ooh. All right. Okay. Ah, this is hot. Hi.
In a bowl.
We're waiting for our ice cream. Oh, that's...
Camera.
Do you guys like my hair? Kior said no, but it's... I like it. You like it?
I love it.
You're a rock already.
I'm so nice.
Sheila. You're what?
I'm so nice, right?
Yeah, you are. Thank you for being nice today.
Can I get a prize?
Are you gonna continue? Yeah, we're having dessert before lunch, because that's just how we roll.
Tastes good.
Okay, let's get ready to... There's one more ice cream that we're waiting for, and then we're gonna walk. You see your ice cream? Praline. Cookies and cream. Chocolate.
Why'd she say it like that?
Raise your hand if you have a sweet tooth.
Yeah, I think we all do, my life. Okay, all right, we're gonna walk. Oh, on a cone, yes. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
I should have got one.
Buddy,
Stuck between my
you want the cone and I'll take that? Yes or no? All right, let's go. This is mine.
Sorry.
This is one scoop. All right. Go in front of me, baby. Okay. Come, this is a crosswalk. Wait, whoa. Hold on. What a piece of shit. Okay. This is a crosswalk. What's wrong with these people? Go.
What's the praying meeting?
I'm not sure. I think it's a nut.
Oh,
We're gonna look at it.
makes sense now.
Mm-mm.
It's Tito's Pizza.
Mm.
That's the Tito's Pizza.
Mm. When I used to work at the nursing home, all the old people used to order this. And I never tried it, but this is really good. I get it. Mm. Mm-hmm.
When I'm done with mine, you
Turn around, you're gonna walk in a bush. Mm-hmm. I don't think so. Stay away from the couches. Stay away from the couches, bed bugs.
You think that couch is
My Crocs are making a weird sound, upsetting me. You're welcome.
Look, I did all that.
Enjoying the shade, are we?
Sorry?
Enjoying the shade, are we? Oh my god, wait. Where are they going? Where are they going? Oh my god. What? Are they gonna come to like really close to us? Kiki, be careful.
What do I do with this?
Where can I spoon?
Honestly, just put it in there for now. We'll find the garbage because we don't litter. We're model citizens.
Oh, put my toes
We're
in
at Crystal
sand.
Beach.
Got my toes in sand.
There's
What?
the garbage over there. Like all the way back there.
Yeah, but we can always go after.
Yeah.
You can just finish it.
Just, you don't want the ice cream? Okay, so you gotta go, or just put it where? I'm waiting for Tanisha and Munchie. They're still not here. How
You
good.
guys are lucky you have goggles, bro. Is Kiri gonna go swimming though?
Yeah, but you maybe ask her.
Oh, the sand's hot.
I know, so hot.
Oh, you got
Kira, are you gonna use the goggles like right now?
Here. Oh, that sand's hot.
It's so hot, the sun.
Kiki,
No, it's not.
want to use
Should I
the
put my
box?
towel downside?
Yeah, you can if you want.
You were ready to go swimming.
In here.
In the beach.
No, not now.
You're gonna let her use it?
No,
Oh.
not now. I need mommy to fix this thing on my goggles.
Got my
This.
got my toes.
Where the hell did they come from? No, here. Take a picture. it's a video.
The video. So am I just like trying to get like the angles and then you'll go? I like that. Thank you.
Sorry, she's so dramatic.